Welcome back to MVP Auto Update Hub. Today, we're diving deep into the world of adventure motorcycles with Honda's latest 2025 CRF 450L. Designed to conquer trails, streets, and everything in between, this off-road champion is packed with exciting upgrades. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or a dual-sport lover, you don't want to miss this review. Let's rev it up. The 2025 Honda CRF 450L is a refined version of its predecessors, sporting a perfect blend of aggressive styling and modern engineering. Starting with the design, the lightweight aluminum frame ensures excellent durability while maintaining a sleek, sharp look. The LED headlight, redesigned for better visibility, is a standout feature. Honda has paid attention to ergonomics too. The slim seat and balanced rider triangle make long rides comfortable, even in the toughest terrains. The red and black paint scheme with bold CRF branding screams Honda's legacy in off-road performance. At the heart of the CRF 450L lies a 449cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine derived from Honda's CRF 450R motocross model. It delivers a smooth and reliable performance, whether you're navigating tight trails or cruising on the highway. With a revised EQ mapping for 2025, the bike offers enhanced throttle response and better fuel efficiency. The 6-speed transmission is perfectly tuned for both low-end grunt and high-speed stability, making it a versatile machine for off-road adventures and city commutes. Honda has equipped the 2025 CRF 450L with state-of-the-art suspension technology. The Showa 49mm inverted front fork provides 12 inches of travel, while the Pro-Link rear suspension offers equally impressive damping. These upgrades allow the bike to tackle rocky trails, deep ruts, and even sand dunes effortlessly. The bike's weight, coming in at just 290 pounds, combined with its nimble geometry, ensures unmatched handling. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned rider, the CRF 450L inspires confidence on every ride. One area where the CRF 450L shines is its tech. The digital instrument cluster displays all the essential information, including speed, RPM, gear position, and trip data. The bike now comes with a standard USB charging port, perfect for keeping your devices powered on long trips. Additionally, Honda has upgraded the LED lighting system for better illumination during night rides. The CRF 450L is also equipped with an advanced engine management system, ensuring optimal performance across varied conditions. Honda understands the needs of dual-sport riders, and the CRF 450L reflects that. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle in tight spots, while the comfortable seat ensures that long hours on the bike don't feel exhausting. For adventure riders, Honda offers optional accessories like saddlebags and luggage racks, making this bike ready for weekend getaways. The fuel tank capacity of 2.2 gallons might seem modest, but with its improved fuel efficiency, you'll cover more miles between stops. Visuals: demonstrations of braking performance on different surfaces, including wet trails and gravel. Safety is always a priority, and the 2025 CRF 450L doesn't disappoint. The bike features a high-performance braking system with a 260mm front disc and a 240mm rear disc, offering exceptional stopping power. Honda has also included advanced traction control for better grip on slippery surfaces. While the bike lacks ABS, the precise feedback from the brakes and tires ensures you stay in control, no matter the conditions. Visuals: comparisons with competing models like KTM 500EXCF, Yamaha WR450F, and Husqvarna FE501. The 2025 Honda CRF 450L is priced at around $10,399, making it competitive within the dual-sport category. Its closest rivals include the KTM 500EXCF, Yamaha WR450F, and Husqvarna FE501. While the KTM offers slightly more power, the Honda excels in reliability, ease of maintenance, and overall comfort. The Yamaha, on the other hand, provides better off-road aggression, but the CRF 450L strikes the perfect balance between trail and street usage. So, who is the 2025 Honda CRF 450L for? If you're an off-road enthusiast looking for a bike that can double as a city commuter, this machine ticks all the boxes. Its robust engine, refined handling, and Honda's legendary reliability make it a worthy investment. That's it for today's review on MVP Auto Update Hub. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 CRF 450L. Until next time, keep riding and stay safe.